In ancient times, the region we now know as Austria was a patchwork of territories: Rhaetia, Noricum, and Pannonia. Noricum boasted a Celtic heritage, while Pannonia was predominantly inhabited by people of Illyrian descent. During the tumultuous period of the Migration Age, which occurred around the 6th century, these territories saw significant demographic shifts. Germanic tribes, such as the Bavarians, settled in the western regions, while Slavic groups, alongside Huns and Avars, claimed territories in the east. Under Carolingian rule in the 8th century, the once divided territories were reorganized. Rhaetia and Noricum fell under the sway of the Carolingian Empire and were divided into the duchies of Swabia and Bavaria, while the Principality of Carantania emerged as a significant entity in the east. Pannonia, however, remained part of the Avar Khaganate until the late 8th century. Vienna, known as Vindobona in antiquity, began to rise in importance during the High Middle Ages. Situated on the banks of the March River, Vienna became a crucial settlement of Austria, marking the boundary between East Francia and the Avar territories to the east. The pivotal Battle of Lechfeld in 955 solidified Austria's position within the Holy Roman Empire. Following the defeat of the Magyars, the East March, or March of Austria, became the easternmost frontier of the empire, bordering Moravia to the north and the Kingdom of Hungary to the east. The most prevalent haplogroup in Austria today is R1b, representing approximately 32% of the population. This genetic marker is closely associated with Celtic peoples, reflecting the ancient heritage of regions like Noricum, where Celtic culture once flourished. Following closely behind is haplogroup R1a, accounting for around 19% of Austria's genetic composition. This haplogroup is commonly found among Slavic populations, underscoring the influence of Slavic migration and settlement in the region, particularly during the Migration Age. Another significant genetic component in Austria is haplogroup 9-1, making up approximately 12% of the population. This haplogroup is associated with Scandinavian or Viking ancestry, hinting at interactions and migrations between Nordic and Germanic peoples and the inhabitants of the region over the centuries. Additionally, haplogroup J2 represents around 9% of Austria's genetic profile. This haplogroup has its roots in the ancient Illyrian populations, which once inhabited the region of Pannonia. The presence of J2b underscores the enduring legacy of Illyrian influence in Austria's genetic landscape. To delve deeper into your ancestral roots and uncover the fascinating connections to Austria's rich history, you can get your free Ancient Ancestry report. Simply visit ancestrydna.co.uk or click on the link in my bio.